Hey guys, I'm Dave.
And I'm Jack, and we're here in the backyard.
We haven't been able to get out on the trail for any adventures lately, so we thought we'd start a new series called Scout Skills.
In this video, we'll show you how to build a fire and give you some safety tips. I'll be building a teepee style fire. So here I have a pile of dry leaves. These are called tinder and light the easiest. Then I stack smaller sticks called kindling in the shape of a teepee. We do this because the smaller sticks will also light easily, but not quite as easily as the leaves. Now I put bigger sticks called fuel, so when the smaller sticks light, they will catch on fire. I strike the match, and put it under the leaves in as many places as possible, and then toss it in.
We thought we'd take a few minutes to watch the fire and talk about fire safety while we do. Part of the outdoor code is be careful with fire, and it states, I will prevent wildfire. I will build my fires only when and where they are permitted and appropriate. When I have finished using a fire, I will make sure it is cold out. I will leave a clean fire ring or remove all evidence of my fire. The principles of leave no trace also involve minimizing campfire impacts. They state that campfires can cause lasting impacts on the backcountry. You should use a lightweight stove when cooking and enjoy a candle lantern for light. When fires are permitted, use established fire rings, fire pans, or mound fires. Also, you want to keep your fires small. Use only sticks from the ground that can be broken by hand. And then you also want to burn all the wood and coals to ash. Put out campfires completely, then scatter the cool ashes when you're done.
To put your fire out, you want to use water, sand, or dirt. To make sure that your fire is out cold, put your hand about 3 inches above where the fire was. If you can still feel heat, then you want to make sure that you continue doing what you were doing to put the fire out. Sooty paws.
Get out of here.